So I know I'd said I'd go over the installation part, but this is kind of going to be a little backwards review. This thing is quiet, very quiet. Just on our first drive, actually second drive. Made the first one, had it set up with the trailer in the most rearward position. That did not work. We had some tailgate to hitch contact. Very minor. I was trying to get it to hit and I succeeded. So we spun this thing around, the adapter, and we're going for another drive. So far this thing is very quiet. I will say that. No noise, no chucking, none of that. Very smooth. I'll let you know how we feel. Alright, so we're back home. Gotta say, after spinning the funnel or the adapter around, moved everything to the front, another 4 inches, giving me plenty of clearance for the bed rail. Here's the damage I talked about, just a little bit of contact, but that could seriously have been worse. And that's where she hit right up there. So like I said, I cut this bit out, made a bit more room. Now that I've moved that ahead, everything works fine. No complaints whatsoever. Very quiet. We'll be going on a couple 1,000-kilometer trip here in a few weeks. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and unhook, pull that out, come out, drop my airbags down, open this door up. Got this little guy, drop her down to 5. That's gonna dump. We're gonna wait for it to quit. Off our trailer up. One thing I will say is that I do need to raise the trailer up higher than I would have with the Kurt A20 to get it up and over that ball. But we'll see if this gets us in a predicament when we're out camping. Shouldn't at all. There we have it, just enough. Plug our lights, get that out of there. I can honestly say, for the, I don't know, 30-some kilometers I ran around the county today, the biggest thing is it's really quiet. We'll give her a shot. We'll let you know if we run into any problems. We'll make a few more videos. We'll go through the towing setup, the truck, the other truck. There it is, the fun truck, farm truck. And we'll see what else we can get into YouTube.